Welcome, Foodie Adventure fans. Today we are at Posto Grill in Houston, right here in the Galleria. We got some special barbecue short ribs I'm about to try out. Looks like it's already here. Ready for a flavor explosion? Let's find out. Looks like some nice homemade barbecue, some aged balsamic drizzled on top. Let's give this a shot. It's so soft that you can't tell where the bone is sometimes. It's like it was slow cooked for a while. Nice and moist, kind of smoky. Semi-sweet from the barbecue. Nice and fatty. You get those Homer lips. Just wanting that barbecue. Well, guys, we got a decent flavor explosion. Those fats are caramelized with the aged balsamic and the barbecue. The punginess of the microgreens on there. Great flavor combination. Now we have to try our 3-cheese ravioli. 3 cheese. Or 2 cheese, I don't care. All I know is this better be good. Got some Parmigiano. Opa! We got some Parmigiano Reggiano, possibly. Let's check that out. Basil, Parmesan, mushrooms, and probably some Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh, cheesy Alfredo creamy sauce type deal. Having a technical difficulty here. Here we go. Alright guys, there we go. You only get 2, but it's so good. Nice and creamy, almost like a nice buttery rich Alfredo down there. Perfectly sauteed mushrooms. Got this essence of basil. I mean, it's drenched in this sauce. I might as well just try the basil. Wow, that gives it a nice flavor too. All right, our second course here at the Posto Grill and Chill, we have the seafood crepe. Off the bat, garnished with that beautiful basil, more Parmesan Reggiano, and looks like we got a couple different cheeses here. Probably some shrimp inside, I'm not very sure. I will definitely let you guys know. Houston Restaurant Week, what is happening? Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna try this very super hot plate. There you go. First shot, guys. Super hot. Oh, don't want to lose a shrimp. No shrimp left behind. You know, when you close your eyes, your other senses become stronger, right? There's some more onion and basil hidden here. A little bit of shrimp and crab meat in here. the 2 or 3 different cheeses right here. We have like mozzarella, a little bit of sharp cheddar, and Parmesan Reggiano. Flavor explosion, literally. It's a great meal. Okay, so let's continue on over here. Some big old shrimp here. There we go. See that, guys? Look at that. Come and papa. Mmm. Man. Bada bing, bada boom. Hello. If you notice, almost all my dishes have seafood in it. Ready to see what I have next. Bon appetit, guys. So we have our next course here. It's going to be the crab crusted flounder, okay? You have the sweet potato mash. Ooh, very hot plate. And then you're going to have a wild mushroom risotto, beurre blanc sauce, and looks like some wild serrano or like chili oil. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon on top. See how I caught the seed with a new method I created? Guys, let's try it out. $35 a person. It's perfect portions. It's very delightful how they incorporate that crab into the crust. Nice and buttery. Oh, is that couscous? Let's try that risotto, guys. Full flavor risotto. Wow, guys. Bonafide flavor explosion. Looks like they didn't fail us. Not the biggest piece of fish, but a perfect piece of fish, okay? Not too dry at all. This is a piece of the lemon pepper chicken. Consolation prize here, we're gonna try it out. A little bit of couscous. That's nice and vibrant. Kind of buttery too. Try that chicken. It's like a roasted chicken almost, very nice. And then we have some sauteed haricot vert. Verts, greens. All right. And we have some of our fresh, crusty cheese bread here. Guys, flounder is not Little Mermaid's best friend. It's a yellow and turquoise fish. This is a fish from the Gulf. It's 2 different waters, okay? Had nothing to do with Ariel. What is this? We didn't order flan, did we? Amaretto cheesecake and tequila.
Custard.
Oh, tequila flan is custard, whatever. All right, guys, so we're back for dessert over here. And what we have is tequila custard right here. Almost like a... I don't know, guys. This looks like it's going to taste good. It doesn't look like it's enough of it, but we'll see if it's a flavor explosion. Which one should I try first? Let's go for the amaretto cheesecake. Nice and soft. You can tell there's a little bit of amaretto infused in there. There's a little sauce that has amaretto in it, a little bit of strawberry, a couple blueberries. Nice little flavor explosion. Yeah, definitely, sauce definitely makes it. It's kind of a tart sauce in there as well. Let's go for the tequila flan. Tequila flan. See what this sauce is about. Tequila in the sauce or what? Nice and buttery. It's almost like a molasses like a molasses light syrup with tequila almost. Very interesting. Really good dessert. Just need a tiny bit more of it. We'll see you in the car where we can give our honest opinion. It's kind of quiet in here. Almost too quiet. That's why they call it restaurants, not restaurants, because you rant about how good the restaurant was. I'm just guessing. But so what happened was we told them it was our anniversary, and I just feel like they didn't treat us like it was our anniversary. It wasn't very busy. The waiter he didn't seem very happy to be with us. It just means that he's overwhelmed all the time, just doing too much work, probably works there too much. Not enough staff. I didn't see a lot of staff there. I mean, it is a Tuesday night, but we went on a Tuesday night for a reason, so we could get better service. It'd be a little bit slower. Anyways, so felt like the portions could have been a little bit larger. Didn't have a tequila flavor explosion on that custard. Need that tequila on there. Posto Grill usually doesn't disappoint. That's why we decided to choose this, because we didn't want to waste any more money on bad places for Houston Restaurant Week, you know. No more gimmicks here. So overall, if I had to choose 5 stars, probably between like 3 to 4 stars, service and food and everything all together. The fish was the highlight of the show. I mean, absolutely spectacular. It doesn't get any better than that. Even some of that lemon pepper chicken breast was pretty delicious for just some chicken breast, you know. Can't go wrong. Cuckoo's had a good flavor, but like the risotto, the wild mushroom risotto with the Parmigiano Reggiano, yeah, that was where it was at. I mean, yeah, green beans. It was a full, complete plate, even though it was a small portion plate. I mean, these portions were a pretty decent price. And a pretty decent portion for how much it cost, $35. Can't go wrong, you know. So I would say great flavor explosions within the whole experience, but just not enough great service to amplify how, you know, great some of these dishes were. What I'll remember is I didn't feel like it was the best experience I've had so far. So I'm gonna have to put Etoile again, the star, right on top, #1 right now. Coming in second, we're going to go do Uruguayan place. So what is his name? Is salt and pepper. It's called sal y pimienta, which means salt and pepper. So that's #2. And #3 so far, it'll be Posto Grill. They usually come in first, is what I'm saying. You know, I have to call them out. Not the best service this time, but still a very, you know, very competitive menu. It was my girlfriend's favorite restaurant, but now her favorite restaurant is Etoile, because that's where you can go, where everybody is a star. Nobody's too pretentious for anybody unless you're just a crappy person. Yeah, the portions here were like a tasting menu size. It was like a crust of the cheesecake. You'll see. It wasn't bad for $35. I'm not overly stuffed. That wasn't the point of it. Food goes to the, stomach right here, and the money from the food goes to the food bank. So win-win situation. You're helping to feed people while feeding yourself. But anyways, yeah, just like, comment, and subscribe. We want you to check out more of our videos. That way you don't miss any of our videos. That way you get the little notification every time we tell you about our restaurant. That way you don't waste your money before you go out. We got some really good videos about food, adventures, and fun coming up soon. Always here at Foodie Adventures. Thank you guys, Foodie Adventures, signing out.